Hey guys! Today I'll show you the easiest way to export Adobe Express characters without a background, even if the transparent option doesn't work. When you select a transparent background in Adobe Express, the download button becomes unclickable. That's frustrating, right? But don't worry, here's the fix. First, pick your character, go to the background settings and set it to a solid green background. Then, add your audio or animation if needed. Now the download button becomes clickable, download your file. Next, open your editing software. I'm using the free version of CapCut. Import your video, then go to Cutout or Remove Background and there select Chroma Key. Select the green color and adjust the strength until the background is fully gone. And that's it. You now have your character with a transparent background ready to use in any project.